Good morning, student. Welcome to the online classes, 12th Science Mathematics. As you all know, we are taking the chapter Linear Programming, that is LPP, which is asked for 4 marks in board exam. So, some already questions we have discussed. Now, we will solve today this question. Solve graphically. Minimize Z. What is meant by Z? Z is called as objective function which can be maximized or minimized. Here it is given minimize. 6x plus 21y. Subject to. These are the inequality. Inequalities are called as constraints. So, and here this is x greater or equal to 0, y greater or equal to 0. These are called as non-negativity restrictions, means these are always positive. Means which quadrant? First quadrant, x greater or equal to 0, y greater or equal to 0, means this shows the graph we get in first quadrant. Let us start the example now. As you know, we have to make a table. First column contains inequality x plus 2y greater or equal to 0. Now convert the inequality, this is 3, convert it into equation, we get x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now double intercept form, what is the double intercept form? X upon a, y upon b is equal to 1. Here we have to make 1. So we will divide both the side by 3. So we get x upon 3, 2y upon 3 is equal to 1. Now this is 2 by 3. So we will divide it. What we get? 2 upon 3. We get there 1.5. So instead of writing this 2 by 3, here we will write 1.5. So this is x intercept, means 3. So for this y intercept is 0. 1.5 is y intercept, for this x intercept 0. Here I deleted x and y column, direct I wrote xy intercept, means coordinate of x and y. Sign of the inequality is even greater or equal, means greater or equal means non-origin side. Non-origin side means away from origin. This is the first constraint. Second, x plus 4y greater or equal to 4. Convert the inequality into equation. X plus 4y is equal to 4. As usual, we have to make here 1. So we will divide both sides by 4. So we get x upon 4. 4 by 4 is 1 is equal to 1. So what are the points? We get 4, 0 and 0, 1. You know that x for x intercept, y is 0. For y intercept, x is 0. Inequality is greater than, means again it is non-origin side. Next, third, 3x plus y greater or equal to 3. So it is 3x plus y equal to 3. Divide by 3, we get x upon 1, y upon 3 is equal to 1. So we get 1, 0 and 0, 3. Same sign. In this way we get here table. After making the table, we have to plot the graph. So here x-axis and y-axis already I have drawn. Now we will plot the point for first 3, 0. This is 3, 0 and 0, 1.5. Means here we get 0, 1.5. So first line we get equation of the line is x plus 2y is equal to 3. And what is the, which side? Non-origin side means greater. We have to consider this part. Now second one, 4, 0. This is 4, 0 and 0, 1. This is 0, 1. So our second line is like this. Again, above the origin, equation of the line is x plus 4y is equal to 4. Third one, 1, 0. Here is 1, 0 and 0, 3. This is 0, 3. You know this how to plot the point in 9th and 10th. Linear equation in 2 variable already you have studied. So here 3 and this we get the third line of this. This equation is 3x plus y is equal to 3. Listen student, this graph, board has taught to provide a graph paper. This graph we have to draw on the answer sheet by taking 1 centimeter. This is a rough sketch, but this rough sketch carry 1 marks. 1 marks figure, this table 1 mark, other calculation 1 mark and final answer 1 mark. Like this question is asked for 4 marks. So, now for all constraint, the reason we have to consider above. So this is the physical reason, means common for all the 3 constraints including x greater or equal to 0 and y greater or equal to 0. We will label here, let us give here A, let us give B, this is C, and let this point here, see the graph like this, and this point is D. So we get the graph points A, B, C, D. So here, now we will write here shaded region. See, label Y, A, B, C, D, X, B, C, D, X. Shows feasible reason. So what is this? This is a feasible reason with corners. Now corners A, coordinate of A is given 0, 3, B, C and D. D coordinates are 4, 0. Now see here, which coordinate we don't know? We don't know B and C. See here, B is the point of intersection of which 2 lines? Point B is point of intersection of. See here, point B is the point of intersection of line 3x plus y is equal to 3, and this line is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now, x plus 2y is equal to 3. When you solve this simultaneously, once more see the point B is the point of intersection of B. 3x plus y is equal to 3 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So after solving this, when we solve it simultaneously, we get, you know how to solve the equation simultaneously? By eliminating x and y, we get point of intersection from this xy equal to, you have to solve it simultaneously, we get 3 by 5 and 6 by 5. Next, point C, we have to solve. See here, for point C, which 2 lines we have to solve? X plus 4y is equal to 4. Concentrate on point C. C is the point of intersection of x plus 4y is equal to 4 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So by solving simultaneously, we get the point of intersection B, C, it is 2 and 1 by 2. So we get in this way, A already given in the graph, B we calculated, C we calculated and D also we get. So in this way we get all the point of intersection. After getting all point of intersection, we have to find the value of objective function at each corner. Therefore, point A 5, 6 by 5, C 2 1 by 2, and D is 4 0. Now for each corner we will find the value of Z, 6x plus 21 1. So if you put 0 here, we get 21 into y means 3, means we get 63. If you put this value here, 3 by 2, it is 3 by 5 and 6 by 5, we get for this value of the Z 28 points. See, I am not calculating here, you have to do it yourself. So when you put this point, we are getting 28.8. When you put 2 and 1 by 2 in this constraint, we get 22.5. And when we put 40 here, we get 24. In this way, we get the values. First value is 63. Next value is 28.8. 22.5 and 24. If you compare this, if you observe it, we can see this. At point C, 2 1 by 2, we get 22.5, and this value is which value? Minimum value at 2 and 1 by 2. So this solution is big, but it is very simple. Make the table for this 1 mark, for graph 1 mark, for this calculation 1 mark, and final answer is 1 mark. So hope so you understood the lesson linear programming. Here we studied how to plot the graph. As per my level base, I have explained step by step the question. Now remaining question from 7.4 exercise, try yourself, and this chapter we will stop now. This chapter carry 4 marks. One of the graphical example can be asked in the exam. So hope so you will select this lesson, you will prepare the lesson for 4 marks. In next lecture, we will start first lesson of Maths 1, that is logic. Till that, thank you and have a good day.